Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of cozy outdoor living decor and tips to arranging and decorating best outdoor spaces ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The gentle caress of a breeze, the melodious symphony of chirping birds, and the vibrant hues of nature enveloping your senses, these are the enchanting elements of outdoor living. With the advent of modern design, outdoor spaces have transcended their utilitarian purpose and become extensions of our homes, offering a serene sanctuary to unwind, entertain, and connect with nature. In this video, we will explore the essence of outdoor living decor, unravel the key elements to incorporate in your open-air haven, and provide valuable insights on arranging and decorating these harmonious spaces. What is outdoor living? Outdoor living is an immersive design concept that seeks to seamlessly integrate nature and architecture, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. It is a philosophy that embraces the great outdoors as an essential part of our living experience, allowing us to create functional and aesthetically pleasing areas that harmonize with the natural environment. What should we have at outdoor living space? Creating a captivating outdoor living space involves carefully curating the elements that transform it into a seamless extension of your home. Consider incorporating the following key features to enhance the overall ambience. 1. Comfortable seating. Invest in weather-resistant and plush seating options, such as lounge chairs, sofas, or hammocks, to provide a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 2. Dining area. Include a dining table and chairs to foster delightful al fresco dining experiences, enabling you to savor meals surrounded by nature's beauty. 3. Shade structures. Install pergolas, umbrellas, or retractable awnings to offer respite from the sun's rays and create intimate shaded areas for relaxation. 4. Outdoor kitchen. Elevate your outdoor living space with a well-equipped kitchen area, complete with a grill, sink, and countertops, allowing you to prepare delicious meals while enjoying the outdoors. 5. Fire features. Incorporate fire pits or outdoor fireplaces to extend the usability of your outdoor living space into the cooler evenings, adding warmth and a cozy ambience. 6. Lighting. Utilize a variety of lighting options, including string lights, lanterns, and pathway lights, to create a captivating atmosphere and ensure functional illumination after dusk. 7. Greenery and landscaping. Integrate lush plants, flowers, and landscaping features to infuse natural beauty and tranquility into your outdoor oasis. 8. Water elements. Consider adding a fountain, pond, or small water feature to introduce the soothing sounds of water, enhancing the overall serenity of your space. 9. Privacy screens. Incorporate strategically placed screens, trellises, or tall plants to create a sense of privacy and seclusion within your outdoor sanctuary. 10. Personal touches. Infuse your unique personality by incorporating decorative elements such as artwork, sculptures, or outdoor rugs, making the space truly your own. How do I arrange my outdoor living space? When arranging your outdoor living space, it is crucial to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Follow these guidelines to create an inviting and harmonious layout. 1. Define zones. Separate your space into distinct areas, such as a lounge area, dining area, and entertainment area, to facilitate seamless flow and ensure proper utilization. 2. Consider traffic flow. Arrange furniture and pathways in a way that allows for easy movement and accessibility, ensuring a comfortable experience for you and your guests. 3. Scale and proportion. Choose furniture and decor that align with the size of your outdoor space, ensuring a harmonious balance between the elements. 4. Focal points. Identify a focal point, such as a stunning view or a striking piece of artwork, and arrange furniture and decor around it to create a visually captivating setting. 5. Embrace nature. Align your furniture and layout with the natural landscape, embracing the surrounding beauty and integrating it into your design. How to decorate outdoor living areas. Decorating outdoor living areas requires a delicate blend of style, functionality, and the inherent beauty of the great outdoors. Consider the following tips to create a captivating and visually appealing outdoor space. 1. Color palette. Choose a color scheme that complements the natural surroundings, opting for earthy tones, vibrant hues, or serene neutrals that harmonize with the outdoor environment. 2. Textiles. Introduce outdoor-friendly fabrics, such as weather-resistant cushions, throw pillows, and rugs, to add comfort and a touch of elegance to your outdoor seating areas. 3. Planters and greenery. Incorporate a variety of planters and potted plants to bring life and vibrancy to your outdoor space, selecting a mix of flowers, herbs, and green foliage. 4. Outdoor art and decor. Adorn your outdoor living areas with sculptures, artwork, wind chimes, or decorative items that reflect your personal taste and create focal points of interest. 5. Seasonal accents. Rotate seasonal accents, such as outdoor lanterns, wreaths, or decorative pumpkins, to infuse a touch of seasonal charm and keep your outdoor space fresh year-round. And here, these the top 10 best outdoor living decor ideas. 1. Enchanting garden retreat. Create a secluded garden retreat with lush greenery, a cozy seating area, and soft ambient lighting. 2. Coastal oasis. Embrace the coastal theme with nautical-inspired decor, striped cushions, and shades of blue to evoke a beachside getaway. 3. Zen garden. Cultivate a tranquil Zen garden with minimalistic design, pebble pathways, and a meditative seating area surrounded by bamboo. 4. Rustic charm. Embrace rustic charm with wooden furniture, vintage lanterns, and a warm color palette inspired by nature. 5. Tropical paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with vibrant plants, bold prints, and a thatched roof structure for a touch of exoticism. 6. Contemporary elegance. Create a sleek and sophisticated outdoor space with modern furniture, clean lines, and geometric accents. 7. Moroccan-inspired haven. Infuse the spirit of Morocco with vibrant textiles, intricate patterns, and mosaic tiles to create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere. 8. Mediterranean retreat. Embrace the essence of the Mediterranean with wrought iron furniture, vibrant tiles, and fragrant herbs for a truly relaxing experience. 9. Farmhouse chic. Combine rustic elements with shabby chic accents, vintage-inspired decor, and whimsical touches for a cozy and inviting outdoor retreat. 10. Urban rooftop escape. Transform your urban rooftop into a serene oasis with sleek furniture, potted plants, and a pergola for added privacy and shade. With outdoor living decor, you have the power to transform your outdoor spaces into captivating extensions of your home. By incorporating the essential elements, arranging with thoughtful consideration, and infusing your personal style, you can create an outdoor oasis that invites relaxation, celebration, and connection with nature. Unleash your creativity, step into the embrace of the great outdoors, and let your outdoor living space become a testament to your unique design sensibility. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of cozy outdoor living decor ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.